Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Saturday. Yes, Saturday, January the 8th, 2022. It's weekend, yes. And in this additional, we have 6 extra puzzles. 3 of them I will solve. Those 3 puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. Yes, it's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle, a number. This will be number 3951. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Then double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Let me see. Yeah. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, the second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Then. Think. Yeah. 3. No, yeah. I need to compare this column and the last column. All right. O 1 1 1 1 0 empty box. So 1 1 empty box 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then we need to compare again. This one is not easy. Number 1. Okay. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place the number 4, the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Okay, then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Need to compare again. Yeah, need to again. Alright. This column. And the last column. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Again, we need to... Yeah, we need to compare again. Unbelievable. Third time. Do we have 1, 1, double 1 here? No. So we need to compare the rows. 101. Do we have 101? Yeah. This column and that column. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Finished in 6 minutes. Wow. A lot of comparing, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, and the rest of the puzzles I will do tomorrow on Sunday. So until then, bye bye for now.